The topic of migrating Azure Search to Solr is a big issue with Sitecore customers, as many will be impacted by the announcement that Sitecore has deprecated Azure Search for Sitecore 10 and beyond. Listen to our partner experts as they share their thoughts on lessons learned from migrating their customers from Azure to Solr. We recently hosted a webinar with these experts, and here are the highlights.
Search is at the heart of everything at the Sitecore system. It's not just about the front-end website, but it also powers the platform itself. And matter of fact, you can't have the platform work without search. So we're here to talk about what customers need to keep in mind as we're deprecating Azure Search, and these wonderful people are going to take us through that.
What I'd like to do is perhaps start, lay down the contextual foundation behind the story about Azure and Solr, how that came about.
Solr is basically part of the infrastructure consideration that didn't exist before for many customers. So they went from a built-in part of the infrastructure to something that they have to think about now.
So it's often an area that when we see Azure Search in play, we're going to identify and try and analyze why it's in play, why it's not being swapped out, what, if any, problems lie within that landscape. And that's what we do early on in the process.
We would always recommend Solr, and I think SearchStax, we have partnered with them multiple times, and often we have brought them to the table so that to give client a value analysis of like what is the value they get out of using a managed service solution like SearchStax when from Azure Search to Solr, right?